Okay, go to that screen, video screen. Open the installment payment terms for vendor screen. Go to the Skype and open the installment payment for vendor screen. Go to the Skype, Ranjit. Open the yes. So payment terms configurations for installment payment terms with cash discounts. So you have seen the thing that is payment terms with the cash discounts. Okay, and the main important thing is that you do have the source of payment terms and normal payment terms and all. When you have the source of payment terms, automatically based on the amount only, it will give you the cash discounts. How it is giving the cash discounts? Okay, we should try to understand the point with the payment terms configurations with the installment payment terms. Okay, so now you know it very well. Payment terms are used for the customers or vendors to get the cash discounts. Okay, so based on the organization. Okay, organizations buying materials, selling materials to the vendors as well as the customers. You got my point, right, all of you? So for that thing, in the payment terms configurations, we need to have the installment payment terms. Okay, so how we are doing installment payment terms? First, we need to have the source of installment payment terms. Okay, then next one is individual payment terms, and after that we need to combine all these things with the source of installment payment terms. Then we can able to see all these things in invoice postings and invoice clearings. How we can able to see it, right, all of you? Go to the transaction code OBB8. Okay, we will just go to the transaction code OBB8. Go to the transaction code OBB8 SAP screen. In the payment terms, okay, you can just give source of installment payment term. Okay, that means what we can give source of installment payment. SOIP, source of installment payment terms. SOIP. So in the sales text, you can just give installment, source of installment payment terms, PT. Source of installment payment terms, that is PT. Source of installment payment term, that is PT. And in the own explanation, okay, you can just give first installment 50%, second installment 50%. No, don't give like this. First number, first one ST space installment space 50%. Write down installment 50%. Yes, 50%, comma, second installment 50%. Second installment 50%. You know it very well, all of you. So we have done so many configurations with the ECC and SAPS for HANA for customers as well as the vendors. And accounting type is customers and vendors. Baseline date calculations, if we want to do the calculations for the fixed date, we can able to do it based on the additional balance. And block key, you know it very well. So if you want to block these things based on the payment methods, you can block it. And default for baseline date, we can able to give a document date, and posting date and entry date is same. And I have already explained you about the posting date and entry date. Take out the document date. Now what we need to do is just tick mark on the installment payment term. Just tick mark on the installment payment. Okay, right. Click on the enter. This is our source of installment payment term, SOIP. Okay. Click on the enter. Go to the save button and save it. This data has been saved. See, I'm just taking the source of installment payment term. For that thing, you are having the 50% installment payment term, 50% installment payment term. So for this 50% first installment, we need to take out the one payment term. So come back and go to the new entries. Come back and go to the new entries. So here you can just take out the payment term 4-digit key, that is anything. Installment payment terms, right? Okay. First installment, right? Okay, PT01. The sales text is first installment. Sales text is first installment. And in the own explanation, same thing, copy that thing, first installment, and paste it here. Paste it here, first installment, and comma, within 10 days, how much cash discount you are getting. I mean, you are giving. First installment within 10 days. Within 10 days, 4% cash discount. Write down 4% cash discount. And it is for the accounting type customer vendor. And default for baseline date is document date. Default for baseline date is document date. And the next one is don't give any installment payment term tick mark here. Okay, you can just give the percentage. 4% number of days is 10 days. Okay, so click on the enter, go to the save button and save it. Then next one, new entries, same thing, PT02. Come back, go to the new entries, PT02. PT02 and sales text is second installment, and in the own explanation, second installment within 20 days we are giving 3% cash discount. Second installment within 20 days we are just giving 3% cash discount. The next document date, and don't tick mark on this installment payment term, just give the percentage as 3%, number of days is 20 days. Okay, so now we have one requirement. There is no any due date. Okay, there is no any due days and on. So for that thing, what we will do, so go to the save button and save it, and show me the next configuration. Show me the next. Go to the Skype. Oh, don't close this Word document. Okay, good. Don't open the Word document. Okay. All right. Create individual payment terms using transaction code OBB8. That one is also done. Then next one is assign these installment payment terms for one payment term. Okay, that is source of installment payment term using transaction code OBB9. Can you go to the transaction code OBB9? We can able to assign all these installment payment terms to the source of installment payment term. Can you go to the transaction code OBB9? Go to the transaction code OBB9. Okay, go to the new address and take out the terms of payment. Take out the terms of payment, source of installment payment, SOIP, right? Source of installment payment. So try to find out with the, yes, take out that thing. And what is this a first installment? Yes, it is. When it comes to the first installment, you can just give first number. Okay, so what is the percentage? So this is the first percentage, right? So try to take out the first percentage. Sorry, 50 percentage. 50. No. So this installment percentage is 50. 50. That should be matched with 100%, right? Then next one. So payment term. Go to the, drag it to the right side and go to the drop down option. Good. Then next one. Same thing. Source of installment payment term. That is second installment. SYP. Same thing. After that, you do have one thing, SYP, and this is second installment and 50 percentage, and PT02 is the second payment installment. Okay, click on the enter, go to the save button and submit. Okay, so we have assigned normal payment terms to the source of installment payment term. The next one is, what is the next configuration? Go to the Skype. Just click on the Skype, automatically it will come. Assign installment payment terms in customer master records. No. Do it for the vendor master records. Okay. Go to the vendor master records using transaction code XK02. See, everything is same for all these things, right? All of you. Either it is a customer or vendor. Okay, please download that custom vendor video in the Skype. Okay, no issue. And give the vendor and give the company code. Take out your company code and give your vendor. Go to the drop down option. Take out any vendor and try to go to the transaction payment transactions, company code data payment transactions. Click on the enter. Take out the payment transactions for company code and click on the enter. And in the payment terms field, just give SOIP, source of installment payment term. Remove this thing and give the SOIP. Take out that thing. Go to the, click on the enter. Go to the save button and save it. Click on the enter. Go to the save button and save it. Give /n. And what is the next thing? Raise the vendor invoice using transaction code FB60. Yes. Raise the vendor invoice using transaction code FB60. Raise one vendor invoice. Okay, so source of payment terms has been picked up in this vendor invoice. So see, you cannot see the 10 days, 20 days and all. Why? Because you do have additional payment terms. It is just show the, source of installment payment terms only. So when you simulate this document, it will divide the things. Go to the simulate option. Now you can able to see all of you. There is a 50,000. There is a 50,000. First, we need to clear the 50,000. Okay, within the 10 days. Then we will go to the transaction. That is within the 20 days we can able to get the another cash discount. First, we need to see how much cash discount that is picking up. Okay, so go to the save button and save it and try to go to the transaction code F-53 to make the payment to the vendor. Okay, to get the cash discounts. Give slash in, go to the transaction code F-53, give the document date. Document header text is payment to vendor. Document header text is payment to vendor. And the account, bank account, take out the bank account. Go to the continue option and give the value date and amount as 50,000 rupees. Amount as 50,000 rupees. See, if you take out the 1 lakh rupee, there is no issue. After the go to the another screen, we need to select the 50,000 rupees. Okay, so that is why I'm just taking the 50,000 directly. So in the open item selections and take out the vendor. In the open item selections, take out the vendor. Yes, go to the process open items. Good. Now observe the thing, all of you. For the 50,000, 2,000 cash discount. Okay. For the another 50,000, that is 1,500 cash discount. Why? Because we have given the second installment, that is 3%. Now what you need to do is double click on this 2,000. Double click on this first 2,000. Yes. Double click on this first 2,000. Click on the 2,000 also. Double click on the assign the cash discount. Okay, so 48,000 is the main thing that should go to this vendor. Okay, go to the charge of difference. Go to the charge of difference and give the 48,000 rupees. Yes, go to the process open items. Click on the enter. Go to the process open items. Everything is zero, right? So you can just go to the document simulate option and save it. So this is the way how we can able to do the installment payment terms. Okay, so try to understand the point. So this document was posted. Now you can just go to the transaction code FBL1N to see the reports. FBL1N, go to the continue option. If you have open items, we do have only one open item. So that is another 50,000, right? Okay, so another 50,000 is there. See, all of you, after the 20 days, okay, next month net due date is 15/07/2023. Okay, on the date of 15, okay, we can able to clear the amount to the particular vendor to get the cash discount. Okay, there is a net due date, right? So posting document date is there, net date due date is there. So this is the way how we can able to do the configurations for the installment payment terms. Okay, and I will going to stop this recording, all of you.